Hello students, today we will take next practical logic gates of paper second. First practical of paper second, logic gate first. So we know that there are three types of basic gates. There are three types of basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as an inverter. Okay, so first we will see what is meant by gate, logic gate. So logic gate is an electronic switch. It is an electronic switching circuit, automatic switch. Logic gate is an electronic switching circuit with only one output. Logic gate has only one output but one or more inputs, and its output depends on conditions of inputs, that is logic input conditions. Okay, for example, in case of AND gate, suppose this is a AND gate, it is a two input AND gate. These are the inputs A and B, and this is output Y. Okay, this is the symbol of two input AND gate, two input AND gate. Okay, so for AND gate, if the inputs are 0 0, 0 means low level, means when inputs are low, 0 means low and 1 means high. Okay, so if inputs are low, that is 0 0, then what is the output of AND gate? Okay, then if inputs are 0 1, these are the logic input conditions of AND gate. So when one input is low, other input is high, then what is the output? What will be the output? Okay, then if inputs are 1 0, that is if input A is high and input B is low, what is the output? And if both inputs are high, that is when both inputs are 1 1, then what is the output? Okay, so this is called as a truth table of AND gate, and practically we have to verify the truth table of AND gate. AND गेटचं ट्रूथ टेबल आपल्याला व्हेरीफाय करून पाहायचं आहे की नाही. आता या ठिकाणी सुरुवातीला तुम्हाला AND गेटचं इक्वेशन माहिती पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज द लॉजिक इक्वेशन ऑफ AND गेट? सो इफ इनपुट्स आर A and B and if output is Y, then the logic equation for AND gate is Y is equal to AB. Y is equal to A into B or AB. Okay, now here in first case inputs are 0 0, that is low. Both inputs are low. Low means 0. Okay, so when inputs are 0 0, then output is 0 into 0. 0 into 0 means 0. Means if both inputs are 0 0 or both inputs are low, then output of AND gate is 0, that is low. So what is low? Low means there is no voltage. The output of AND gate is absent. It is absent or there is no output. That is, the LED if connected at the output, it will remain off. It will remain off. LED will remain off. That is, we say that the output is low. Okay, and if a voltage is present at the output and when LED glows, then we say that the output is high. Okay, so this LED indicates whether the output is high or low. Okay, so here when both inputs are 0 0, 0 0, then output switches to 0. Output goes low. Okay, so for 0 0 conditions, output is 0 for AND gate. Now if one input is low and other input is high, that is 0 1, then the output is again 0, because 0 into 1 0. Okay, now if first input is high and second input is low. Again 1 into 0, 0. That is output is low. That is there is no output or the LED remains off. Then if both inputs are high, then output is 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So the output of AND gate switches to high condition when all inputs are high. Okay. That is 1 into 1, 1 means the output of AND gate goes high only when all inputs of AND gate are high or 1, logically 1. Okay. So the output of AND gate goes high only when all inputs are high. So this is called as truth table of AND gate. Okay. Now practically to verify this AND gate, we use IC 7408. IC 7408 is used to verify AND gate. This is a TTL IC and it is a 14-pin IC. It is a 14-pin IC. Okay. Now see the pin diagram of IC 7408. It is a 14-pin IC. One side there are 7 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for other side also there are 7 pins. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here there is one dot, and from left side we count the pin numbers. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is IC 7408. Okay. Now this IC 7408 consists of 4 AND gates. So it is called as quad 2 input AND gates. Quad means 4, quadruple. Quad means 4. So this IC consists of 4 AND gates. Quad, and these gates are 2 input gates. That is, each gate has 2 inputs and single output. Okay. So quad 2 input AND gates. Okay. Now see here, in first AND gate, pin number 1 and pin number 2 are the inputs and pin number 3 is output in first AND gate. Then in second AND gate, pin number 4 and 5 are inputs and pin number 6 is output. Then pin number 7 is for ground. This pin is called as ground, or this pin is always connected to DC power supply, negative of the DC power supply. This IC requires 5 volt DC power supply, regulated 5 volt DC power supply. This IC requires 5 volt DC power supply. Any TTL series IC require 5 volt DC power supply. TTL means transistor logic. That means this IC is made from bipolar transistors. So this is a TTL series IC. Okay. And this TTL series need a regulated power supply of 5 volt DC. Okay. Now in third AND gate, pin number 8 is output and pin number 9 and 10 are inputs. 9 and 10 are inputs in third AND gate. And in fourth AND gate, pin number 11 output and pin number 12 and 13 are inputs. Then pin number 14, it is for plus VCC. That means this pin is always connected to positive terminal of DC power supply. Positive terminal of DC power supply. So this is called as pin diagram or pin configuration of IC 7408. So we use to verify the truth table of AND gate, we use this IC 7408 for AND gate. Okay, and we can choose any one AND gate among these 4 gates. We select any one. Okay, out of these 4 gates we can select any one and we can verify the truth table of AND gate. Okay, so practically now we are performing this experiment practically. Here, see here, this is the truth table and we have to check as per this truth table we have to check the outputs of AND gate. And see here, this is a breadboard. This is called as a breadboard, and on this breadboard 3 ICs are mounted, okay, or connected. So in this first IC look here, this is a 7408 IC. Here number is written, and at one side there are 7 pins, and another side there are also 7 pins. There is a U sign at the top of this IC. Now here second gate is used. In second gate, pin number 4 and 5 are inputs, and pin number 6 is the output. See the pin configuration here. Okay, so here in this breadboard there are some vertical holes. So these vertical holes of each row, these are connected together. Okay, these rows are connected together. So this contact connects to these holes, and we get a short here. So this is pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4. So this at pin number 4, one black wire is connected. So this is input A. Pin number 4 means it is input A of AND gate. And again pin number 5, one yellow wire is connected here. So this is input B. Now we have to connect these inputs at one time. It is connected to ground, means this pin goes low, and if it remains as it is, then this pin or this input is high. Now in this condition, now the pin is high, and if it is connected to ground or negative, then this pin becomes low. Okay, so first we connect a 5 volt power supply here. This is pin number 14. This is pin number 14. See here, this is pin number 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So at pin number to the pin number 14, we connect positive terminal of 5 volt. Okay, and to the pin number 7, we see here, this is a black wire, and we are connecting negative terminal of this DC power supply of 5 volt DC to the pin number 7. Okay, now these pin number 4 and 5 are inputs. Okay, and pin number 6 is the output. So here at pin number 6, one resistor is connected. This value of this resistance is 330 ohm. Orange brown means 330 ohm, and in series with this resistance, one LED is connected. Okay, long terminal of this LED is anode, and short terminal or short leg is cathode. So this cathode is connected to ground. So this is a horizontal line, this is a ground line, and this is a plus VCC or positive line. Okay, here vertically it is each row is short, and here this horizontally this line is short. So this is a ground line, and this is plus VCC. Okay, so first we have to connect pin number 14 to plus VCC, and we have to connect pin number 7 to ground or negative of the power supply. Then pin number 4 and pin number 5 are inputs. So these are two wires, black and yellow. These are the inputs. Okay, A and B, and pin number 6 is output. So to the pin number 6, one resistance is connected, 330 ohm, and in series with this resistance, one LED is connected. So this LED will show whether the output is high or low. Okay, now see, I am connecting here these inputs A and B, that is pin number 4 and 5, to the ground line. Okay, so that the inputs goes low, the inputs goes low, 0 0. Now in 0 0 condition, output should be 0, because 0 into 0 0. Okay, see here, power is switch on, and here okay, this power is switched on, and 5 volt is receiving to this circuit. Okay, so here pin number 4 and pin number 5 are connected to ground, so input becomes 0 0. Then for 0 0 output is 0 because LED is off. So since LED is off, we say that output is low, so 0 0 0. So this step is verified. Now for 0 1 condition, that is we have to connect input B, we have to connect input B to plus VCC, that is pin number 5. So this is pin number 5. We have to connect this to the VCC, or if this wire remains as it is, then also this pin goes high. Okay, so here we are connecting pin number 5 to plus VCC. Okay, so this is a 0 1 condition, and pin number 4 to ground, so it is 0 1 condition. So for 0 1 condition, again output is low, that is LED remains off, means the output is low. Now 1 0, so we have to connect pin number 4 to the VCC. Okay, and pin number 5 to ground. Okay, so this is a 1 0 condition. Okay, now for 1 0 condition, output is again low, LED remains off, means output is low. Okay, now we have to connect both inputs to the VCC, that is pin number 4 and pin number 5. Then input becomes 1 1. Okay, so for 1 1 condition, the output is high. So here LED glows, means we say that the output is high. In this way the truth table can be verified. Truth table of AND gate can be verified. Okay, so we will stop here. हो हो